Hi Discovery, hi, my name is Kaydria and I have some stuff to share with you today about biomass. When you go outside and it's so hot that you just want to dump a bucket of ice on your head, do you ever feel that way? This is a huge issue. DCS uses way too much non-renewable energy, which causes CO2 to be released in the atmosphere. DCS, have you ever thought about fixing it? Well, we can, but only with your help. I have researched ways to use renewable energy, and the most cheapest and reliable energy is biomass. I'm going to show you a video about biomass energy.
Renewable Energy 101. Biomass, the original renewable energy. It's been part of our lives since our ancestors learned to control fire. In fact, it's made possible by the sun, whose energy is absorbed by trees and plants through photosynthesis, and then released when organic matter is burned or decomposes. First, there's plant waste. Wood scraps, sawdust, and crop waste can be collected from farms or manufacturers. The waste is burned to heat water. The hot water creates steam. The pressure of the steam spins a turbine. The turbine powers a generator. The generator creates electricity. Simple, really. Next up, animal waste, also known as the problem of cow poop. The solution? Waste from farm animals can be collected in a large tank called a digester, filled with bacteria that eats the waste and converts it to methane gas. The methane is captured and burned to heat water and create steam. Sound familiar? Second verse, same as the first. This same principle can also be used to capture methane, a potent greenhouse gas with 25 times the heat-trapping ability of carbon dioxide, from landfills. Once a section of the landfill is closed off, pipes are run from the waste to collect the gas, which can then be burned to make electricity or heat. Biomass may not be the prettiest form of renewable energy, and it needs to be used carefully and thoughtfully to protect ecosystems and prevent greenhouse gas emissions, but it can be a smart way to make use of waste. Power to the poop.
One reason we need this change is because there are so many old plants in wood, so if we can use it to make energy, that would be awesome. According to the books Harvesting Solar and Wind and Tidal Power by Baby Professor and book An Introduction to Renewable Energy Sources by Baby Professor, it says biomass uses leftovers of lots of things that energy is trapped inside, and if it burns, it can be converted to renewable energy. Also, when I walk outside or if people are just coming in from gardening, I can see a lot of old plants and branches. Another reason we should use biomass is because it is the cheapest. The cost is only $3,000 and $5,000 to $5,000 to transfer the energy. Also, one of the easiest renewable energy. When I was researching renewable energy, I seen that a lot of other energy sources biomass was the only one in the thousands. Last reason is DCS has so many things we can use for biomass, such as leftover lunches, dead plants from the garden, and extra. When I was passing the milk out at lunch, we had corn and beans, and a lot of kids said, "Ew, this is nasty. I'm going to throw this out." So instead of throwing it away, we can use it for biomass. So next time you see some old plants, maybe think about giving it to a company that does biomass. That's why we should use biomass.